So it's the second day of our fall Latitude Adjustment sailing trip, and the first day we made it from Palm Beach down to Lake Boca, which is where we're at right now. We took a ride out to the ocean to see what the seas were like, and the waves are breaking across the inlet, so it's got to be 5 to 6, maybe 7 foot seas. So we're gonna go ahead and stay in the intercoastal, head on down towards Fort Lauderdale, maybe get out in the ocean at Fort Lauderdale. If not, we'll continue on down to Miami and Biscayne Bay. It's a beautiful morning. It's probably high 70s, and we're just waiting on the Camino Real Bridge so we can continue our trip south. The grid is going up. This will be our first day of sailing on this trip. We spent the night in Miami at Virginia Key last night, and the night before that we were in Lake Boca at Boca Raton, Florida. We had to come down the inside intercoastal waterway because the seas in the ocean were about 6 to 9 feet, and especially at Boca it was breaking over the inlet, so we couldn't really go out at all. But today the winds are about 11 knots out of the east. We're sailing south into Biscayne Bay. We're going to go about 20 miles today, I think. Probably stop at a place called Elliott Key, which is on the south side of the bay, and it's a national preserve, so it's really nice there. There's no houses. We're buddy boating on this trip with Ken and Kristen on their 35-foot Legacy Gemini. This is their maiden voyage on that boat, so this should be a good little trip for them. Come look at the dolphins, Christy. Hold on, we have to stop this interview for dolphins. Yeah, the fisheries on. I think so. I hear them talking.